yesterday I fell asleep at night. I woke up in a spaceship traveling at the speed of light. Everything feels so misplaced. The sky is at my feet and the ground above my head. I'm landing on a star with little flying cars, but I feel like I already know this place. It was the first time our eyes collided. I wish that I could see your face again. I think I fell in love with an alien. I wish that I could see her face again. I think I fell in love with an alien. She showed me how to talk without words. Spread my arms, close my eyes, and take off like a bird. And I'm landing on a star with a little flying cars, but I feel like I already know this place. It was the last time our eyes collided. I wish that I could see your face again. I think I fell in love with an alien. I wish that I could see your face again. I think I fell in love with an alien. Everything feels so right. The trees grow backwards and the rain falls upside down. I hate to see her cry, but I have to say goodbye. And maybe you come visit me